Hi folks, if you have Windows 10, you need to see this video called Addressing Windows 10 Update Concerns. I don't recommend that you disable Windows updates permanently, as you need the security updates to protect your computer, but I'll show you how to temporarily do it. Go down to your Start menu. As you can see, I've got Classic Shell, and then over to Control Panel and up to Administrative Tools and across to Services. Then over here, scroll down the bottom and then come over to Windows Update. Double click on that and you can see this is the Windows Update panel. It enables the detection, download and installation of updates for Windows and other programs, and Windows will do this whenever it likes to. And you can stop it just for the session if you don't want it to happen while you're doing something by clicking on the stop here. But if you want to permanently disable it for a short time, you go down there, click on Disable, Apply, and OK. And you'll see now that it's disabled. I'll just close out of that. I'll now show you another way to get into that section. Go down to the search bar and type in Services. And up here, click on Services Desktop App. And over here, like before, scroll down the bottom and look for Windows Update. Double click on that and you can see we've disabled it. If you wish to enable it again, go down to this drop down menu and click Automatic, Apply, Start and OK. And now you can see it's enabled and it's running, and if there's an update available it will happen when Microsoft chooses. And we'll just close out of that. If you have a limited data plan at home, you might not want to do a 1 gig Microsoft update at home. So what you do is you set your metered connection to on so that the data won't exceed your monthly limit. I'll now show you how it's done. Go down to the search bar and type in Settings. Then up to Settings, Trusted Windows Store App, if you can trust Windows, I don't, Network and Internet. Then go over to Wi-Fi and Manage Known Networks. Find the home Wi-Fi that you don't want to download updates to and click on Properties. Now, if you have the limited data plan, as we talked about before, you don't want to be doing big updates from home. So we set that to on. Go back. Now, if there is another one that you do want to use for downloads, you can turn that off. Make sure that's off, and therefore you'll be able to download to your heart's content. You may have had your computer restart early in the morning or late at night when you're working at home. Well, Microsoft assume you're only going to use your computer between 9 AM and 9 PM. I'll now show you how to change the active hours. Go down to the search bar and type Windows Update. Check for updates and come down to change active hours. As I said, the default's 9 AM till 9 PM. You must have no more than 12 hours active hours to allow Microsoft to have 12 hours. But we can bring this forward to say 7 AM if you want to do some work in the morning, tick it. But then because it's more than 12 hours, you've got to bring this one down to 7 PM. And you can save it. And that's it. Unless you have unlimited data on your home Wi-Fi, I suggest you set it up as a metered connection, and also check out my videos addressing Windows 10 data concerns and addressing Windows 10 privacy concerns.